So there is a winter snowstorm today, and the road is almost covered and you cannot see now the vehicles. So Mika wanted to play in the snow, and this is our dog who loves snow also. Even the snow is thick, it's not really cold. Can you make a snowman? Okay. Oh, do you want to build a snowman?
Yes.
Okay, let's build a snowman.
I think it was good. Let's build together.
Yep. And I'm holding umbrella. Woo! Yankee! Mika, let's go inside. Wanna build snowman together? Look. Yay! Yankee's running around.
Together.
Okay. Look! Happy puppy! Are you gonna make a snowman? So she don't want to go inside. She said she want to play. And look, it's around like 4 inches already outside. In the other corner is 4 inches. So it's gonna be overnight. Okay, make your snowman. Look, the snow is kinda hell. It's so heavy. That's a big one. Mika, let's go inside. Getting dark, Mika. Let's go inside. What are you doing?
It's down here.
You cleaning up the snow?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And outside, look, it's so heavy, guys. So outside, look how pretty the sun is. Good morning, guys. So look, the snow. So it snowed a lot The snow. Good morning, guys.
Yeah.
So I have my tea here. And what's this? This is a French toast that Daddy
Here.
made. So we're gonna have breakfast here. Actually, Mika just finished her breakfast, so. And even it's the snow is thick. It's not really cold. And the sun's really help. It's so sunny. Look. So we're here outside our house and I'm having my tea. And our dog is here also. You want something?
No.
No, she does not like French toast. And our dog love it. Look, look, our dog here. Look. Toink. Yeah, he's been eating snow.
Let me give it her.
No, that's my bread.
Here. No. This.
We're giving the snow.
No. 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 No.
Yeah, breakfast in the snow.
Say that.
You like snow?
Yes.
Yeah, she's been playing snow since yesterday. So the winter snowstorm started around 3 o'clock. And she's been playing since she's playing yesterday in the snow. And now when she woke up, she said, I want to go out. I want to play in the snow. And good thing it's not really cold. It's much colder if like there's no snow. So tomorrow we really can't get out because it will be so slippery. I'm trying to remove this part. Okay, I'm gonna continue my breakfast. Having a tea. That is green tea with lemon.